Oh, it's a turn on? Yeah, thank you. CNO minus. Okay. You press the red button to start.
I did.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, let me, since we're here, we can put it back a little bit, I guess, here. We have less people. Yeah. Can you take a look if everything is in it? Just adjust it to a, that you can see this. I trust you. Okay. So that's a textbook question. Everyone can take a few minutes. I know my office hour ends soon, but take a few minutes looking at it. I think it's a good example to show how to use your sense.
Is it just write it into a Lewis structure?
And do resonance.
Okay.
No. It's negative charge on overall, which I did not say is negative on oxygen.
That's fun.
So that's a good example of showing how to use your chart. Okay.
That's not gonna work.
They both suck.
Where?
Like I get two possible structures. This one has a negative charge. This one has a positive charge.
I tried doing.
I didn't want the other one with the +2, so it's going great.
Oh wait, you're so smart.
Am I?
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, did people already have a try? I can show you how I.
This is so
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah.
Wait,
That's correct. That's
even though it's CNO, I can have the carbon.
No. C has to be in the center.
Oh, you're so right.
Oh.
Okay.
Out of all of them, C can make the most bonds.
The least electrode. Wait. Where's my Yeah, C is the least electronegative. +2. So it has to be enough.
Okay. Here. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so it's kind of like I'll talk about how I view this. If you use my chart, nitrogen bound to three things with a pair of non-pair, nothing, right? No charge. Carbon in the middle bound to four things, neutral. Oxygen bound to one thing, negative. So it's kind of like a good use of the charts to use the sense. So like all atom is in a right position. Okay.
And it obeys the octet rule too.
Yeah. So, what's the second one? Let me see. Okay. Do resonance. Okay, do resonance with that one. I think it's not very hard, right? You just push, and then this will make nitrogen negative, and a carbon. Are we good with this?
Could you technically put like triple bond carbon to the oxygen too, or that would be bad?
Yeah.
Triple bond carbon to oxygen.
And then have
Single
single
bond
bond
to
to
nitrogen.
nitrogen. Is that like an unlikely?
Yeah, that's unlikely because if you want to make that happen, what you want to do, you want to move here, you want to keep moving here. No. So you already have a negative here, and you mean you want to keep moving?
Yeah.
That's make nitrogen 2 negative.
No, if you put the triple bond to the oxygen.
Oh yeah.
Okay, let's remove this one first.
Okay.
So
Incredibly nasty.
you want nitrogen. You want this.
So you
Yeah,
put
could
this,
that
right?
work?
Okay, let's use our sense. Then this way, oxygen needs to be positive, right? Based on my chart. Carbon is neutral. Nitrogen, if it's only bound to one thing, I don't think I show you nitrogen bound to one thing in my chart.
Okay.
Right? No, but nitrogen at least bond to, yeah, so yeah, you just stop here.
Okay.
That's how I use my sense.
Okay.
Okay.
So even though it's possible, it's because it's like not gonna happen, we don't have to put it.
Let's say I don't think you should put a positive 2 or negative 2 in any of your resonance structure.
Okay.
I'll explain in this way. If you have electrons, which is like water, okay, water, you have a positive space. You want to pour your water into that positive space. You are not likely to see 2 positive because somewhere already puts electrons into that. The same goes to if you have a negative, it's like a higher place. You are not likely to push electron into a place that's already have negative. It's just like you are not likely to pour your water into a higher bowl. Are we good with that? So this is how you should view things. You're not likely to see this. Basically, when you have one positive charge, some other electrons already take that place, and not going to give you the chance to you will make 2 positive charge on that atom. Are we good? Okay.
That makes sense, but I was just confused because when I looked at the key, I don't know why it said -2.
Oh, okay. The key you say different one. Okay.
Right.
Let's say this is good, but the key, I'll show the key structure, which is also possible. Okay. If we turn around that, okay, CNO, so that would have positive charge on one of them. What was that? On 2 negative on. Okay, that's where you draw resonance structure, just like you have 2 charge separation of that. The key says this one. Yeah. Okay, negative, positive, negative. That's also acceptable.
But like we don't need this one then.
Uh,
So -2.
Yeah, so that one is very unlikely. That's why it's okay. So this one already have 3 charges, which is so I will take both as correct answer in this case because I did not show you which one was that. But if you have this one, okay, you draw resonance structure. There is 2 negative already in the structure. There's no way that you can get rid of that. The answer key of the textbook showed this. And then the answer key of the textbook showed this, which will make double bond of both. Yeah, negative and negative. That's the textbook answer.
Oh, okay. So like on the test, which would be correct?
I will take both, but I will take, because both make sense.
Oh, so you don't need all 4, it's just one or the other.
Yeah.
Okay.
Why does the carbon, like on the one on the bottom right, why does it have 2 negative charges?
Okay, what's my charge with carbon with 1 negative charge? Bound to how many? Go to your chart. Charge with negative should bound to 3, right? I did not put this one on my chart, right? That's a weird situation. But carbon with 3, that's negative. Keep this one in mind. Start from now. That's your sense. You should 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 with a non-pair. That's negative. That should be your sense. This is not your sense. That's something weird because you come from another arrow. You just
We could also just calculate the formal charge for that. That'd probably be.
all I trying to do is not to count formal charge because that's so time consuming. It's
Yeah, but I don't know. Sometimes I need to write it.
Yeah. Okay. In that you can always do that to count your formal charge. I just
You're probably better at it than we are. So.
Yeah.
don't worry about this.
You have more practice.
Yeah. I'm talking about this is the sense you kind of like me too. Sorry, we take the place. It's we are supposed to be in A. Sorry, but A is so crowded, so we just all.
Are A?
Actually, we leaving in 5 minutes.
Okay.
So sorry. Yes.
I have like a really quick but like slightly unrelated question. if that's
Then we
okay.
post this one. It's not related to this one, or is this related?
No, it's not.
Okay, let's post that one. Post the video.